Hi guys, it's me, Tennessee and Kansas. Not Tennessee and Kansas, Arkansas and Mississippi. So we're gonna play Stack the States. Before we do Stack the States, I have a little song for you. There are states in the USA. There are states in the USA. North and south, east and west. Every state I like the best. There are states in the USA. Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, and Connecticut, and yes, there are states in the USA. Delaware, then Florida, then there's Georgia and Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, boy oh boy, there are states in the USA. Iowa and then Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, then there's Maine and Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, there are states in the USA. Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, and Montana. There's Nebraska once again, and Nevada, yes, my friend. There are states in the USA. There's New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, and Oklahoma. There are states in the USA. Oregon and then PA, Pennsylvania is what I say. Guess what I was South Carolina, South Dakota's looking fine. There are states in the USA. Down south there is Tennessee. Then there's Texas, can't you see? There is Utah and Vermont and Virginia if you want. There are states in the USA. Washington is near the end. West Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming now we're done. 50 states for everyone. There are states in the USA. There are states in the USA. There are states in the USA. North and south, east and west. Every state I like the best. There are states in the USA. Maryland, New Hampshire, Kentucky, Iowa. Excuse me. Is that Colorado or something? Tallahassee, Florida, California, Washington, D.C., capital of the USA. I'm Tallahassee, Florida, where the strongest magnet field was trapped. I am Rhode Island. I'm smallest. I am Kentucky. Come get your Kentucky Fried Chicken from KFC. Cheyenne, Wyoming, Helena, Montana. Boo! I am Wyoming. I'm Carson, Nevada. Why do you sound different? I don't know. Is someone shooting? No. Colorado. Wyoming. No! I'm Austin, Texas. Oh, yes. I kind of like that show when SpongeBob gets fired. I am Wisconsin. By the way, guys, this is called Arkansas and Mississippi. I am Lansing, Michigan. I am Boise, Idaho. You sound like a 300-year-old man and ate lemons that are super duper sour and washed them with hand sanitizer. Yeah, that's what I did. Every day, every month, every year, every week. I am Nashville, Tennessee. Hello, Texas. Hello. I am Montpelier, Vermont. Why is there a stupid bird on me? I'll get it. Shoot. Shoot, shoot. Get out of here. No, this is a stupid bird. Get out. I think this is a bird war. I guess. I am West Virginia. Get out of here. Nobody likes you. No, no, no. There's a bird on me again. Oh. Vermont, let's connect. Oh, hello, Nevada. Hello. Montpelier, Vermont, we were supposed to connect. I don't care, Concord, New Hampshire. Will you two stop arguing? Oh my God. You almost pushed Ohio. I mean, did you just say that? No, I didn't mean to. Get out, get out, get out. Nobody likes me. There. Junie, Tony. What is Junie, Tony? Oh, it's my favorite show. Why, Vermont? Because they had the Marshmallows, Mighty Max, Mary May, Mellow Milo, Merful Mike, and Mischievous Mimi. Oh, I don't get it. Trenton, New Jersey, I'm not playing. I'm not. Who cares? I look like a J, but wonky. Have you heard of Chongqing? Yes, it's in China. I am Delaware, and Dover is my capital. Says who? Says me. Baton Rouge. And that is Louisiana. Louisiana. I probably mean Mississippi. I am Georgia. I look like some kind of weird shape. Because you are stupid. That was rude. I am Sacramento, California. Get out of here! Oh, no! Oh, God! Oh, no! Oh, God. Sacramento, California. Oh, no. He's coming. Who is it? Down in Ohio, flag like Ohio. Down in Ohio, flag like Ohio. Down in Ohio, flag like Ohio. Down in Ohio. Shut up! Thankfully, Arizona defeated him, because I don't want to hear the stupid song ever again. I am Pierre, South Dakota. Pennsylvania, you go to Harrisburg. In Rhode Island, Providence, Connecticut, Hartford. Honolulu, Hawaii, the only place where you can wear a grass skirt and no one cares. Dover, Delaware, will you shut up? No! Oh, no! Oh! Hey, we're slipping. Oh! I am Massachusetts. Oh! I am Mississippi. I need Arkansas. No! I am Alabama. Alabama, all the sky. Massachusetts. I am Minnesota. Minnesota. What the heck? Did anyone see that? Oh! Now what? What shall we do now? I am Utah. Do I bore you? Whatever your freaking name is. My name is Wyoming. I am Montana. Oh, God. I am Alaska. Nobody's bigger than... Shut up. I am Illinois. Don't you mean Illinois? Yeah, I meant that. I am Arkansas. I mean Mississippi. I am Iowa. I am Columbia, South Carolina. I'm so bored. A piece of Kansas. And Lincoln, Nebraska. Ow! Visit Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar is written me. My name is Myanmar, Naypyidaw is what you see. Nepal is right here, my capital is Kathmandu. In North Korea, Pyongyang is waiting for you. Here in Oman, you can visit Muscat. Visit Pakistan's capital, Islamabad. In the Philippines, Manila is laid back. I am Qatar, and Doha you could backpack. Russia is in Europe and Asia. Moscow is quite a scene. Saudi Arabia here. This is where he has been. This is Singapore. My capital is Singapore. South Korea is winning, so you won't get bored. I am Sri Lanka. Colombo's my gem. In Syria, the market is going to spend. I am Tajikistan, and this is Dushanbe. When you're in Thailand, Bangkok is kind of seen. Okay, all of you, shut up. Wait. In case you didn't know, I am Saudi Arabia. This is my capital. His name is Riyadh. We're the kingdom of Saudi Arabia, located on the continent of Asia. We have the 13 regions that will explain to ya. So come and learn with us in Saudi Arabia. I am Albany, New York. Justin! Oh no! Ugh! Oh! Are we gonna even make it? I am Illinois. It's another Illinois. Oh! I am Rhode Island. Oh! There goes my sister. I am Nebraska. I'm back. I am Montana. Can we stop getting the same things? Oh. I am my omega. No. Montana. What? We were almost there, and then bam, you ruined it. This is what you deserve. Oh, no! This is getting too boring. Shall we exit the game? No, we should continue. I am Nevada. I need New Hampshire. Here she comes. Hello, New Hampshire. Hello, Nevada. I am North Dakota. Come on, North Dakota. Don't fail. No! Nevada, help! Oh, no! No, New Hampshire. Well, that sucks. Dover, Delaware. Sorry. I am Georgia. We gotta make this. Yes, we did it. Ow, I hit my face on Georgia. I want Illinois. I'm gonna close my eyes. What's this? Yes, I got Illinois. I am Illinois. My capital is Springfield. Now you, Indiana. I am Indiana. I have a capital named Indianapolis, my bad. Oh, and I have the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, or India 500, or the Indianapolis 500, or just say the Indy 500. You can tell. I'm the United States of America. Washington, D.C. is my capital. Below Canada. We are the countries of North America. There's 23 presidents we want to share with ya. We're the continent of North America. Within the Northern Hemisphere, we'll sing without a fall. Arkansas. Nevada. Lansing, Michigan. What is that? Let's continue.
Ready, set, go.
No, I don't want to do Chicago, Illinois.
Ready,
Yes!
set,
Hawaiian Island. This may be harder. Will you stop cheering? Jeez. My name's Malicious. My capital's Fort Louis. How's that? I am Morocco. My capital's name is Rabat. Get it? Rabat. 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 Shut up. I am Alabama. I'm getting sick. I'm about to. I'm Texas. Oh, Phoenix, Arizona. Get out! Jesus Christ! I'm Alaska. Or should I say, I'm Alaska. Why do I border Canada all the time? You border Canada, Alaska, cause you always border Canada, not the USA. Oh, I am Arkansas. Where's Mississippi? Oh no! This is a good tower. We only have 6. Down in Ohio, slag like Ohio, down in Ohio. Slag like Ohio, down in Ohio, slag like Ohio. Shut up! Oh! There's still only 6. Wait, are they? Yeah. I am Utah. U-T-A-H, Utah. In the mix. Yes, I did it. What did I get? I want something cool. Indiana. Let's do one more. Alaska. I am Vermont. Oh, it's so cold in Alaska. I bet Alaska would love this. I am Virginia. Oh! I am Connecticut. Oh no! Why are you just staring at me? Stop staring at me. Stare, Massachusetts. There. Mama, what are you doing? Oh, you're looking at something? Good. I'm not going to be happy if you get the final state. I am South Dakota. Oh no. I almost fell in the water. Where is North Dakota? I don't see him. Me either. Might as well I don't see him. I don't think we should end this video. I am Hawaii. I think we should end this video because I don't think we can make this final stage work. Yeah, let's do it. 3, 2, 1.